I want that the best that this generation will ever be will be the starting point for the next. It's time that we leave something better for the next generation of Filipinos. That kung OFW ka ngayon, guess what? It's time that yung anak mo, yung apo mo, they have a choice that if they want to work abroad, they're working abroad because they want to, not because they have to. That we give them more options that they've never had before. And it's time for Filipinos to be rich. It's time for Filipinos to have more than enough. It's time that the world sees us, that we're not just people going out because we need jobs. Hey guys, so I got a lot of questions while I was making my way here into Singapore. One of the things that people ask me is this: so how can you actually generate money? How can you actually make more? I've been watching so many videos on YouTube. I've been reading so many books. I've attended so many seminars. How can I actually start? What can I actually do? So if you are puzzled on how you can actually grow your wealth, on how you can actually make your money work hard, on how you can actually do it, this video is for you. Check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash that bell. We just hit 48,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you guys who have been with me since day one, who have been with me since I had below 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that button and smash that bell so you get updated wherever I am and whatever I talk about with one goal in mind. I want to teach you so you can trade the markets with confidence. So hey guys, so I just landed here. I'm in Changi. At the back is, as you can see, this is Jewel. They just ended the light show. Now I wanted to show it sana as part of the vlog, to show some sort of cinematic ending. Pero wala naman akong alam sa mga cinematic highlights. I'm not so good pag medyo madilim yung lighting. But I just wanted to show you that I'm actually here. This is one of my favorite parts in the airport. They just opened a couple of months ago. So when I was here last May, they just opened just a while back also, and it's nice to see. It's a sight to behold. Now back to the reason why this vlog is here. People are asking. I've researched so much, but they're more perplexed. They don't know what to do with the information that they would get. Please remember this: information means nothing if you don't do anything about it. There's a term nga, they call it seminarista. People who have attended tons of seminars, but every time there's a new seminar, they would always attend. Please don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with attending seminars, attending massive seminars. There's nothing wrong with reading so many books. Because I myself, if you've been watching the previous videos, I attend at least 25 seminars or conferences or expos a year. What does it help me do? It pushes me, it helps me learn, it helps me think, it changes the way I perceive things, it gives me new ideas. I look for, eto pa tekniko, since I've attended so many seminars already for the past decade, and some of them medyo mahal, some of them are mid-tier, some of them are relatively cheap. But what I've been doing now is I try to look for one idea that will push me to the next level, one idea that I've never heard before, one idea that will help me innovate the way I do things. So again, nothing wrong with attending seminars, conferences, reading books, and watching YouTube videos. Nothing wrong with that. Those are all amazing. Whoa! Ang bigat ng camera. I'm sorry about that. But those are all amazing stuff. But here's the thing. Those are all data. You have to process them into something that will allow you to grow. You have to process them to a point where you have to execute. Because data, not processed and not used, won't mean anything. That's why, for those who watched my first videos, or when I gave you a backstory when I started out, one of the things that I did was every Saturday, every Sunday, every time there was a holiday, I tried to create business opportunities for my own. Whether it be going to bazaars, whether it be trying to buy and sell stuff, whether it be trying to do something that's service-oriented. Why? My goal was every time I read a book, every time I attended a seminar, I tried to execute and I tried to practice the things that I learned in those seminars or sessions or expos that I would attend. I would even remember attending expos, franchise expos, where, I like franchise expos, and I think I wrote this in Where Should You Invest, is a lot of the founders of those small kiosks would be normally there. So I get to ask questions, I get to hear their entrepreneurial journeys, and I also get inspired. But please remember, inspiration, that's not action. Or if you don't take action based on the inspiration that you have, won't actually help you. So I super appreciate you guys watching the video, super. But for me, please, this will mean a lot to me if you execute, if you do something about it, if this is something that will allow you and push you to actually grow, to actually invest. So why am I saying this? Whatever ideas you get from this, whether it be trading, whether it be investing, whether it be budgeting, saving, getting out of debt, investing, doing other things that you've never done before, my suggestion is you try it, you execute it, you start with something that's small, you start with something that's actionable. That's why if you've watched the video, I posted a video, I think it was a few days ago, it was Sunday, about creating goals. You can create a short-term goal that you get to do this. For those who are asking about the technical analysis, simple lang. If you've learned about moving averages from Stock Smarts Manila or other Stock Smart sessions, then you make a decision. Okay, I will use a 20-day moving average for this trade. I will try to make 10 trades. So that's an actionable step. Regardless if it's a winning trade or a losing trade, it's something that pushes you forward. Please remember, no one expects you to be an expert after attending a seminar. No one expects you to be an expert after watching a video. But what's important is you get to practice, because as you start practicing, the skill that gets developed. What's the most important thing for you to develop is the skill, the craft, for you to get better. You need to get better. And here's the thing. I've seen so many people who attended the seminars 4 years ago, and then we would meet. I met someone from London. Hindi ko na lang papangalanan kung sino siya. Met someone from London. She attended sessions before. Tapos, when she attended, sabi ko, how many trades have you done since the time that you attended? It was more than 2 years ago. Sabi niya, not that much. And sayang. Sabi ko, and I can challenge this to all of you. When you learn something new, either from the charts that I've been posting or whatever items that you would see, my suggestion is this. Execute it, 2,000 pesos. If you have 20,000, 2,000 pesos, you have 2,000 pesos, that gives you 10 bala. That gives you 10 separate tries to do it, either wrong or right. But what's important is, and I keep saying this to a lot of people, wag niyo muna habulin na kumita. Your goal at the start is not to earn money first, but your goal at the start is to learn first. That's the most important thing, because learning allows you to develop that strategy. Learning allows you to have that discipline. Learning allows you to build that conviction, and the strategy, the conviction, the discipline is what's going to help you make money later on. It's true naman that if you start, you can make winning trades kagad, you can earn money kagad, but if your focus is making money kagad and not building the skill, it's the skill that will make you money later on. So my suggestion, if you plan to fail often already. Fail as much as you can right here, right now. And I'll tell you this, I've been doing this for more than a decade, and I've made my share of mistakes. I still make mistakes because it's never a game of playing a perfect game. And I keep saying this in all of my videos. Your goal as a trader, your goal as an investor, your goal as an entrepreneur is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be profitable. And I may say this jokingly, isa lang yung perfect wife ko. And none of us will be perfect anymore. But the thing is, comment below kung yung wife nyo perfect. Comment below if yung tingin nyo boyfriend nyo perfect or yung girlfriend nyo perfect. But anyways, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is just to be profitable. It doesn't matter if out of 10 trades, 4 mali, 5 mali, 6 mali, 7 mali, 8 mali. That doesn't matter. What matters is later on, even though you had more wrong trades, on those wrong trades you cut, on those winning trades you maximized it and you used it to the fullest extent. So also, here's another thing. It's Christmas, guys. It's Christmas season. There will be so many opportunities for you to execute. I remember selling items for Christmas gifts for my office mates, for my friends. Please remember, your first market to be good at business is to practice with your friends, family, relatives. Sell stuff to them. Please remember, businesses is something that there's an idea, there's a problem, and you're presenting a solution. What's your solution? Instead na magtiyanggi sila, instead na punta sila sa mall, mahirapan sila sa traffic, you're the one providing gifts that they can buy to give to their friends as well. So, for me, that's a very, very easy way for you to start it. That's a very, very easy way for you to at least build that. If you're shy, for me, if you're shy and you don't think you're good at talking to people, selling to your friends, selling to your relatives, the objections that you will get from that already can build the confidence. It doesn't matter if you get 99 no's, but the last one, the 100th one, is your yes. Because at the end of the day, that 99 no's gave you the confidence, gave you the conviction, gave you the backbone, gave you the spine na pag yung kapal na mukha to get that one deal. And here's the thing, and I keep saying this all the time, sometimes you only need one idea executed properly to make you rich. You don't have to be a master of everything. You don't also have to be scared of failing. You just have to do it. You just have to push. You just have to push. You just have to push. I know the people watching my YouTube channel are 25 to 45-year-old men and women. So that means you're young. Even at 45, you fail. You live until 90, you're still at the midway point. Don't be scared to fail. Don't be scared to hustle. Execute on those ideas that we're talking about. Because I want you to win. I want you to win. Guys, it's midnight here. It's midnight. But the reason why I do this, the reason why I keep sharing information like information like this is because I know it's important. And I do this because I know the goal of why I do things now is I want to make a difference. The goal of why I do things now is not just to communicate my ideas, but I hope my ideas penetrate and do something that will elevate you from where you are. And I hope that it's not just about the stock market, really. It's all about freedom. It's all about financial freedom. That it doesn't just have to be about the stock market, but it has to be on items, assets, ideas, entrepreneurship, business ventures that will take you to the next level. So I guess that's it. I have to buy my SIM card already, guys. I have to buy my SIM card bago magsara. I have to buy my SIM card that I need to get money also so I can go to my hotel. But just checking up that I'm here, everything's safe. I'm in Singapore already. To those who are attending our sessions, I'm excited to meet you all. To those who who I'll meet to actually eat. Man, Singapore is an amazing place for food. The dried noodles here are amazing. I'm not just sayang I'm not a food vlogger, but if I had a chance to also feature food, I would. But di lang ako magaling sa mga editing na yan. But I just like sharing my ideas. So I guess that's it. Comment below if you have any questions. Comment below if this is something that inspired you. Comment inspiration if you got inspired by this. And I guess that's it for now. I need to rest. I need to prepare for the seminars also over the next few days. But I'll never stop making videos. I'll never stop creating content like this because I just want you guys to win. I want that the best that this generation will ever be will be the starting point for the next. It's time that we leave something better for the next generation of Filipinos. That kung OFW ka ngayon, guess what? It's time that yung anak mo, yung apo mo, they have a choice. That if they want to work abroad, they're working abroad because they want to, not because they have to. That we give them more options that they've never had before. And it's time for Filipinos to be rich. It's time for Filipinos to have more than enough. It's time that the world sees us, that we're not just people going out because we need jobs. And I guess that's it for now. Marvin Germo from Jewel in Changi. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.